CARC International started 60 years ago as Meyer Pienaar and Partners with a dream to build a great university. And since then, in the last 6 decades, we've been trying to build our clients' dreams. We're architects. We operate internationally, mostly on the African continent and in South Africa. About 60% of our business comes from outside of South Africa and about 40% from South Africa. Our approach to architecture is to use our empathy, our natural empathy, our creativity, our energy, and to bring considerable technical skill into collaborating with clients to create a really unique product for them. So an example would be the Sandton story, where in the 80s the Sandton Town Council came to us asking us to help them build a dream of a city which would be competitive in the region. And as urban designers, we felt that every good centre has a great public place. And in building that public place, we managed to attract an investor who wanted to build a shopping centre. We were able to work with him to build his flagship hotel and subsequently a number of other projects in the Sandton precinct, including the Raphael. We've now had the opportunity to work with the same client to build the tallest building in Africa, the Leonardo, which kind of exemplifies what we do in adding value to our clients. If we can make buildings where we think about what we do in terms of the impact it's going to have in the future, we want to make future generations judge that we've used resources wisely. We understand the resources available on a particular site or a particular context. We know what's renewable, what's not renewable, and how to use that to the best advantage. We're building a footprint in Africa, and we're working in collaboration with many other architects. All of those relationships are really wonderful relationships. We work with wonderful people who have similar values, and we can do great things together.